Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to customize and start a chess game using the chess.com app on your phone. Whether you're into bullet, blitz, or daily games, this guide will walk you through every step so you can challenge your friends or anyone online. First, open the chess.com app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the More button. Then, from the list of options, tap on Friends. Now tap on Send Challenge Link. Now it's time to customize your match. Tap on the Time option to choose your preferred format. You can select from Bullet, Blitz, Rapid, or Daily, depending on how fast or slow you want the game to be. After setting the time, go back and tap on Type. This lets you choose the type of game. You can select Standard, Chess 960, or Balanced, based on your interest and skill level. You also have the option to set a rating range. This allows you to define a minimum and maximum rating limit for your opponent, which is great if you want to match with players at a similar level. Finally, once all your settings are in place, tap Play to send the challenge and start your game. And that's it. You now know how to fully customize and launch a game on the chess.com app. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.